before us is, am I like him? Am I different from him? Because if you put two things together, if the greater is in you and you're contrary to that, eventually two things that don't agree is going to cause what? An eruption or an explosion. But if you put two things together that work together in tandem, the continuity releases what? Power.
Amen.
And so you're either going to have an explosion of breaking down in your life. And so a lot of times when we find ourselves breaking down, it is not you being breaking down by what the enemy is doing. It's by the resistance or the difference that's existing between you and God. You see, you always have to fix your relationship with you and God before you can stand before the devil. That's why James 4:7 said, submit yourself to God.